Hey team, just a couple announcements for you, and I'll try to be pretty quick. There's been a couple questions about the Christmas coverage doc, and so I just wanted to clarify a few things. So starting tomorrow, Friday, this is what everybody should go by. Um, and you can see something that we've been lucky with is there's only 3 districts in each zone, which is nice because that means that we're covered. Um, the thing that people have been asking about is if there's not, like, we'll take Chris and Emily for example. If there's not a class that they're assigned to, they're going to be resourcing on these days. But I also am okay if you let me know the day before or 24 hours in advance that you don't want to come in. That's fine. So these days are resourcing, and also these are obviously resourcing. Um, and then the other thing I was going to make you aware of, uh, let's say that Emma gets sick on the 26th and she needs somebody to take her place. What she'll do is she can just look right above her and see that Aubrey doesn't have a district, uh, and that she could sub for her, or she can go on the 26th, look in the morning, and see that Lexi or Coley's not teaching a district, so Coley could also help her out. So that's how you can navigate this document. If your name is here, I expect you to be here. If your name is not here, I expect you not to be here. I don't think that'll really be a problem until we get up into here. And I'll make things more clear as we get closer to the beginning of the year. So that's my first announcement. And then my second one is recently I've been getting a lot of notifications about branch reports not being filled out. And I know part of that's just because the system's been down. But I just want to give you some ideas of what you can do to fill out your branch report while you're on the clock, so you don't feel like you need to do it at home, because I think that's the reason it's not getting done. So if I'm in branch 40 and it's Friday, I can either excuse the missionaries a little bit early, or I can do it from 11 to 11:30 while the missionaries are at workshop. Or if I'm down here in the evening shift, I just get the missionaries going on their own Book of Mormon share or studying a safeguards focus, and I start working on the branch report. So just kind of look at your schedule and just think of how could I fit in throughout my shift a time to do the branch report. That way it's just getting done and you're also being paid to do it, because I don't want you to feel any pressure to do it at home. And then the last announcement that I have is on Christmas Eve, all missionaries are excused at 3:30 in the afternoon for a Christmas Eve devotional, and everyone can go home and enjoy Christmas Eve. So those of you who are working in the afternoon on Christmas Eve, you will not need. So that's only in branch 34, but you'll be leaving at 3:30. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can always call me, Slack me, email me, send a pigeon with a note, whatever you want to do, and I'd love to help. Hope you have a great holiday and hope finals went well. Love you all.